Hello students, today I am going to teach you first chapter of class 7, The Meaning of Education, written by Cyril Anthony George. The story it is very interesting. Let us need to be discuss summary. Before starting summary, just I want to introduce about characters. There are two characters. First one Anita and second one Nandini. Anita, she is a student. Nandini, she is also a student in same class, same school. The story now it begins from here. Anita, she is very good student. She is very good in study. That's why she feels proud on herself, and as well as she shows her attitude towards students. Among students in her class, she hates everyone. She hates to Nandini. That's why she is not liked by her classmates. And whereas we talk about Nandini, she is totally different from Anita. Nandini, she is also good in study, but she is different from her. How? She always helps to her classmate whenever they required. She had a smile on her face. She cooperate with her classmates. So that's why she is liked by her classmates. So that was a difference between them. One day the classes now it was going on, and everyone they come to school, they are in class. Anita, she sat alone, and all students they get attraction of Nandini, and they around her because she is a good. This is fortunate for Nandini, and you can say the Anita. The examination schedule has been declared by principal, and first paper was English. Anita, she was understanding that she will do better in exam. She will come first in exam because she prepared each and everything. And she was happy, and she was so feels proud on herself. And whereas other students now they were looking very tense, Nandini, she is also looking, but she prepared. In the day of examination, every student they come on time in examination hall. Anita, she also come to examination hall by taking place of her father and mother. And Anita, now she was looking over there. Everyone they present in the examination hall, but Nandini, she was not looking. Anita became very happy because she knew that if she will not come, she will not attend his exam, surely she will be failed. Everyone they were giving examination, and after 1.5 hours, Nandini, she came over there. She was taking long breath, means now she was very hurriedly. and at least the teachers, they provided her to answer sheet and answer, and then she had done something. After examination, all students, they asked the reason to Nandini why she came late, but Nandini, she did not give any response. And after exam, Anita, she moved to her house by car, but she has not given lift to her classmate on her way. When she went to her home, now she has seen the doctor, neighbors, and relative all were present. Anita became so surprised. She thought that what happened. She asked her mother. Mother, she led to her to the father bedroom, and she told each and every incident which is happened with her father. And Anita, now she went near her father and she asked about the condition and health of father. Father, now he didn't tell anything, but Anita mother's, now she told her one classmate, father's, he saved her father lives when her father was going for walk early in the morning. And I mean that she was a student's father. So Anita, now she was so surprised that who may be. So that name was Nandini father. Nandini father, now he had saved her father's life. So on that day, Nandini, now she repented herself. She thought that what she has done and how many times now she misbehaved with her, and it was not like that. And she was thinking whole night. She didn't sleep. Next day when she went to school, she has seen Anita, she has seen Nandini, now she is in library. She called to Nandini and says her, I know that what happened and why you came to late study in examination. I got each and every information, and at least I want to repentant myself, and I am so proud of you that you are a good student and you are a good friend. And on that day the principals, now they called him in a special assembly. He appreciated her and he said that, principal, he said that education not for knowledge in mathematics and science, it should be for be a good human in their life. Means principal, he was telling that instead of taking knowledge, you have to be good citizen and good human being instead of getting knowledge. So he has also feel very proud of Anita. So these were information, and since then Anita and Nandini become very fast friend. They study together, they go together. So these were entire information of the chapter. If you like this video, like, subscribe and share it. Thank you very much.